Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Education LD. Today we will be going to learn the use of could not. आज हम लोग could not का प्रयोग करना सीखेंगे. ये पार्ट 2 है. इसका पार्ट 1 ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है हमारे चैनल में. You can access it from there and this will help you to increase your thinking capacity and enhance your vocabulary. So now let's start. कुड नॉट का प्रयोग भूतकाल में किसी कार्य को नहीं कर पाने या किसी चीज़ के संभव न होने का वर्णन करने के लिए किया जाता है, जैसे कि मैं वहाँ नहीं जा सका. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद सम सेंटेंसेस टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड मोर. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. शी कुड नॉट पास द ड्राइविंग टेस्ट. वह ड्राइविंग टेस्ट पास नहीं कर सकी. She could not pass the driving test. Next, I could not keep up with the pace of the class. मैं कक्षा की गति के साथ नहीं चल सका. I could not keep up with the pace of the class. Next, they could not finish the puzzle. वे पहेली पूरी नहीं कर सके. They could not finish the puzzle. Next, He could not stop talking about his trip. वह अपनी यात्रा के बारे में बात करने से नहीं रुक सका. He could not stop talking about his trip. Next, we could not get the answers to the question. हमें सवालों के जवाब नहीं मिल सके. We could not get the answer to the questions. Next, she could not find any reason to stay. वह रुकने का कोई कारण नहीं ढूंढ सकी. She could not find any reason to stay. Next, I could not finish my meal. मैं अपना खाना खत्म नहीं कर सका. I could not finish my meal. Next, they could not find a solution to the issue. वे इस समस्या का समाधान नहीं ढूंढ सके. They could not find a solution to the issue. Next, he could not believe she was telling the truth. वह ये विश्वास नहीं कर सका कि वह सच बोल रही थी. He could not believe she was telling the truth. Next, we could not finish cleaning the house. हम घर साफ करना पूरा नहीं कर सके. We could not finish cleaning the house. Next, she could not come to terms with the loss. वह नुकसान को स्वीकार नहीं कर सकी. She could not come to terms with the loss. Next, I could not make sense of the data. मैं डेटा का मतलब नहीं समझ सका. I could not make sense of the data. Next, they could not attend the class due to storm. वे तूफान के कारण कक्षा में नहीं जा सके. They could not attend the class due to the storm. Next, he could not express his feelings clearly. वह अपनी भावनाएं स्पष्ट रूप से व्यक्त नहीं कर सका. He could not express his feelings clearly. Next, we could not solve the puzzle in time. हम पहेली समय पर हल नहीं कर सके. We could not solve the puzzle in time. Next, she could not explain her decision. वह अपना निर्णय नहीं समझा सकी. She could not explain her decision. Next, I could not avoid the traffic jam. मैं ट्रैफिक जैम से बच नहीं सका. I could not avoid the traffic jam. Next, they could not manage to keep the secret. वे रहस्य को रखने में सफल नहीं हो सके. They could not manage to keep the secret. Next, he could not make it to the meeting on time. वह बैठक में समय पर नहीं पहुंच सका. He could not make it to the meeting on time. Next, we could not understand the new policy. हम नई नीति को समझ नहीं सके। We could not understand the new policy. I could not carry all the bags. मैं सभी बैग नहीं उठा सका। I could not carry all the bags. Next, they could not find any information online. वे ऑनलाइन कोई जानकारी नहीं ढूंढ सके। They could not find any information online. He could not bear the heat any longer. वह अब और गर्मी सहन नहीं कर सका। He could not bear the heat any longer. Next, we could not get a reservation at the restaurant. हमें रेस्टोरेंट में आरक्षण नहीं मिल सका। We could not get a reservation at the restaurant. Next, she could not make up her mind about the dress. वह ड्रेस के बारे में अपना मन नहीं बना सकी। She could not make up her mind about the dress. Next, I could not resist the temptation. मैं ललचाने का विरोध नहीं कर सका। I could not resist the temptation. Next, they could not figure out the problem. वे रहस्य का समाधान नहीं ढूंढ सके। They could not figure out the problem. Next, he could not meet his expectations. वह अपनी उम्मीदों पर खरा नहीं उतर सका। He could not meet his expectations. Next, we could not find a way out of the situation. हम स्थिति से बाहर निकलने का रास्ता नहीं ढूंढ सके। We could not find a way out of the situation. Next, she could not get rid of the cold. वह सर्दी से छुटकारा नहीं पा सकी। She could not get rid of the cold. Next, I could not finish my homework on time. मैं अपना होमवर्क समय पर पूरा नहीं कर सका। I could not finish my homework on time. Next, they could not stop arguing. वे बहस करना नहीं रोक सके। They could not stop arguing. Next, he could not make a decision without consulting. वह बिना परामर्श किए निर्णय नहीं ले सका। He could not make a decision without consulting. Next, we could not get a clear answer from him. हमसे कोई स्पष्ट जवाब नहीं मिल सका। We could not get a clear answer from him. Next, she could not stay calm during the interview. वह साक्षात्कार के दौरान शांत नहीं रह सकी। She could not stay calm during the interview. Next, I could not attend the seminar due to prior commitments. मैं पूर्व प्रतिबद्धताओं के कारण सेमिनार में नहीं जा सका। I could not attend the seminar due to prior commitments. Next, he could not afford the expensive gift. वह महा उपकार का खर्च नहीं उठा सका। He could not afford the expensive gift. Next, we could not decide on the restaurant to go to. हम यह निर्णय नहीं ले सके कि किस रेस्टोरेंट में जाएं। We could not decide on the restaurant to go to. Next, she could not recall the details of the conversation. वह बातचीत के विवरण याद नहीं कर सकी। She could not recall the details of the conversation. Next, I could not believe it was already midnight. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था कि यह पहले से ही आधी रात हो चुकी है। I could not believe it was already midnight. Next, they could not find the missing keys. वे गुम चाबियां नहीं ढूंढ सके। They could not find the missing keys. He could not make it to gym today. वे आज जिम नहीं जा सका. He could not make it to gym today. Next, we could not afford to miss the event. हम इस कार्यक्रम को मिस करने का खर्च नहीं उठा सकते. We could not afford to miss this event. Next, she could not fix the broken lamp. वह टूटी हुई लैम्प को ठीक नहीं कर सकी. She could not fix the broken lamp. Next, I could not catch the bus in time. मैं समय पर बस पकड़ नहीं सका. I could not catch the bus in time. Next, they could not work together as a team. वे एक टीम के रूप में काम नहीं कर सके. They could not work together as a team. Next, he could not finish his presentation in time. वह अपनी प्रस्तुति समय पर समाप्त नहीं कर सका. He could not finish his presentation in time. We could not manage to get any tickets for the show. हम शो के लिए कोई टिकट नहीं प्राप्त कर सके. We could not manage to get any tickets for the show. Next, she could not bear the pain any longer. वह और अधिक दर्द सहन नहीं कर सकी. She could not bear the pain any longer. Next, I could not believe how beautiful the view was. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था कि दृश्य कितना सुंदर था. I could not believe how beautiful the view was. Next, they could not finish the marathon. वे मैराथन पूरा नहीं कर सके. They could not finish the marathon. Next, he could not stop thinking about the past. वे अतीत के बारे में सोचने से नहीं रुक सका. He could not stop thinking about the past. Next, we could not continue to hide because of the rain. बारिश के कारण हम ट्रैकिंग जारी नहीं कर सके. We could not continue the hike because of the rain. Next, she could not join us for dinner. वह हमारे साथ रात के खाने में नहीं आ सकी. She could not join us for dinner. Next, I could not finish watching the movie. मैं फिल्म देखना खत्म नहीं कर सका. I could not finish watching the movie. Next, they could not afford to go on a vacation this year. वे इस साल छुट्टी पर जाने का खर्च नहीं उठा सकते थे. They could not afford to go on a vacation this year. Next, he could not explain the complex situation. वह जटिल स्थिति को समझा नहीं सका. He could not explain the complex situation. Next, we could not reach the destination before sunset. हम सूर्योदय से पहले गंतव्य तक नहीं पहुंच सके. We could not reach the destination before sunset. Next, she could not attend the lecture due to personal reasons. वह व्यक्तिगत कारणों से व्याख्यान में नहीं जा सकी. She could not attend the lecture due to the personal reasons. इसी के साथ हमारा आज का वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टाटा, बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड यस डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. बाय बाय.